Come, my little helpers, and gather these fresh flowers. Every flower is picked with love, carrying the wisdom of generations. This is our special heritage blend. Watch how the color changes. It turns a rich ruby red. A squeeze of lime adds freshness.
These beautiful flowers have been treasures for generations. Our elders prepared this tea for healthy hair and refreshed. It reminds us to love nature and preserve traditions.
These flowers have been treasured for generations, our comfortable digestion, and help the body feel refreshed. The greatest gift it gives us is reminding us to love nature. Here is some warm tea for you.
Healthy heritage begins with nature, wholesome ingredients, family, and the wisdom passed lovingly from one generation to the next.
In the heart of the village, the evening shares its magic, passing nature's wisdom from generation to generation.